Hello everyone, welcome to the third video in the series where we are covering quantitative aptitude questions from previous year UPSC CSAT papers. In this series we are covering questions from 2016 to 2025. So this is the third video in the series. In the previous two sessions we covered some questions on number system from previous year papers from 2016 to 2017. In this series, in this session, we will cover questions of number system from previous year paper 2018. Okay. So without any further ado, let's jump to the questions. So question number 1 is, consider the following sum. Dot plus 1 dot plus 2 dot plus dot 3 plus dot 1 is equal to 21 dot. In the above sum, dot stands for, okay, and the options are 4, 5, 6, 8. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2018. Now we need to find any digit in place of x which satisfies the above equation. Okay, let's suppose in place x dot we have x. Okay, now the equation will become x plus 1x plus 2x plus x3 plus 1 x1 is equal to 21x. Okay, now let's write the number in the expanded form. It will be x plus 10 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 10x plus 3 plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 21 210 plus x. Okay, now let's add all the x terms. 1 2 3 13 23x. Okay, here we have 23x. Okay, now let's add the other numbers. 10 30 and 33 plus 1 34, and this is equal to 210 plus x. Now let's take this x to the left side. It will be 22x is equal to 210 minus 34. It will give us 176, and x will be 176 divided by 22. Okay, it will be 8. Okay, so right answer is D here. Let's move to question number 2. A number consists of 3 digits of which the middle number 1 is 0 and the sum is 4. If the number formed by interchanging the first and the last digits is greater than the number itself by 198, then the difference between the first and the last digit is, okay, options are 1, 2, 3, 4. This question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2018. Okay, let's suppose the number is x0y. Now if we interchange the digits at first and last place, the number will become y0x. Now if we write this number in the expanded form, it will be 100x, okay, plus y, and similarly this number will become 100y plus x. Okay, now if we, since this number is greater than this number, let's subtract number 1 from number 2. It will be 100y plus x minus 100x plus y is equal to 198. Okay, now it will be 99y minus 99x is equal to 198, and let's take 99 common. It will be y minus x is equal to 198. Now y minus x is equal to 2. Okay, 198 divided by 99. Okay, it will be 2. So the difference between the digits is 2 here. Okay, now let's move to question number 3. If x and y are natural numbers other than 1, okay, y is greater than x, which of the following represents the largest number? Okay, so this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2018. Now we can randomly take two values. For x, let's have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, now we can place value of x and y in all these options and verify which option has the largest number, which is the largest number. Okay, now let's see. Product of both these number will be 6. That means when we divide x by y, it will be 2 by 3, and in option C it will be 3 by 2, and option D it will be 5 by 6. So from all these options, option A is the largest number. So right answer is A here. Now let's move to question number 4. While writing all the numbers from 700 to 1000, how many numbers occur in which the digit at hundreds place, okay, the digit at hundreds place is greater than the digit at tens place, and the digit at tens place is greater than the digit at units place? Okay, this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2018. Now this number is in the form of x. Suppose the number consists of 3 digits. Suppose the number is x, y, z. Now here x is greater than y and y is greater than z. Okay, now let's begin with x is equal to 7. That means the digit at hundreds place is 7. Now the digit at tens place can be 6, and the digit at units place can be from one of these: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So how many number we can have in which we have hundreds place digit is 7 and tens place is the digit at tens place is 6. Okay, and the digit at units place can be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. So how many number are these? There will be 6 such numbers. Okay, now let's suppose we have 7 at hundreds place and 5 at tens place. Then the digit at units place can be 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, now how many such numbers are there in which the digit at hundreds place is 7 and digit at tens place is 5? There will be 5 such numbers. Similarly, if we have 7, then 4, then at these places we can have 3, 2, 1, 0. So how many number are these? 4. Similarly, if we have 7 at hundreds place, 3 at tens place, then at units place we can have 2, 1 and 0. That means 3. Similarly, if we have 7, 2 at tens place, then we can have 1 or 0 at units place, will be 2. And if we have 7 at hundreds place, 1 at tens place, then the digit at units place can be 0. So 1. So how many these numbers can be in total? There are 21 numbers. Okay. Now suppose we have 8 at hundreds place. Okay. In that case we will have 7 at tens place. Okay. And at units place we can have from 6 to 0. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So how many number we can have here? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. Now similarly, if we have 8 at tens place, hundreds place, 6 at tens place, then we will have 6 numbers, and so on. 5. Okay. Then okay. Similarly 3. So on. We will have 8, 2. Okay. So up to 8 to 0. It will be 1. So how many number are these? These are 28. Now when we have 9 at hundreds place, we can have 8 at tens place, and so on. First, when we had 7 at hundreds place, we had 21 such numbers. When we had 8 at hundreds place, we added 7 more numbers. Okay, and it became 28. Now when 9 is there, we will add 8 numbers in the 28. Okay, and it will become 36. So how many are these numbers in total? 21 plus 28 plus 36. If we add all these numbers, it will be 85. So answer is C here. These were few questions on number system from previous year UPSC CSAT paper 2018. Okay, we will come with some more questions from previous year papers in the next session. If you find the session useful, then please like, share and subscribe the channel and support us. Thank you.